This episode is brought to you by Fresh Coat, Paint Care, Rust-Oleum Brands, and Nice Job.
I was that person who sat at a blank screen on a computer and said, what do I write on my website? What do I write in emails?
Right.
I mean, I was that person.
Yeah.
So I came to StoryBrand and I heard Donald Miller talk, and the biggest paradigm shift for me was that when people are creating marketing, when you are sitting down and creating the story of your brand, you need to understand a couple things. One, there's so much noise in the marketplace that people are not going to pay attention to you. Like they're actually, our brains are actually designed to not pay attention to you, because our brains are designed to focus on information that helps us survive and thrive. Right.
Right.
Like if I was in a room with all the people who are listening right now, if we were in a stadium, I could say, how many people know how many chairs are in this stadium? And nobody would raise their hand. And if I said to everybody listening, all right, how many people know where the exits are? Every single person in that room would raise their hand.
Right.
Because our brains, whether we know it or not, is always looking for information that helps us survive and thrive. And because of that, we wake up every day, every person listening, we all wake up every day as the hero of our own story, right? We want to win every day. We're looking for information that's going to help us win, survive, and thrive. And so when you understand that when you're creating messaging, the people that you're connecting with are designed to tune out information that does not directly contribute to their survival and thriving.
To watch the full episode, download Overdrive, now available on the App Store and Google Play.